Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider, and we're going to do our third and final video for the Thursday analysis, looking at XBI, which is the S&P Biotech Sector ETF. And what we can see here is a nice bounce off support, and we're now trading within this price channel shown by the support and then the resistance above, which coincides pretty nicely with the weekly SMA right here, and then the weekly EMA 50 right below that. So from the short-term perspective, things are looking decent on the lower indicators as well. The short-term percent range and the short-term RSI, which is the daily in this case, shown here, is moving through or are moving through the weekly percent range and the weekly RSI, which are shown by these dotted lines. And we are comparing those here. If we wanted to do a shorter term time frame, we could always compare the 120 versus the 240 or the daily or the weekly. So you can also do that right here as well if you'd like to kind of mess around with the system. From a longer term perspective, XBI is looking a little different than QQQ and SPY. We are trading in kind of a longer term, just uptrend. The shorter term channel really isn't there like it is on SPY and QQQ. But what we do have is kind of this middle line, which has acted as support in the past, and then it acted as resistance here, acted as kind of support here, and now has acted as support once, twice, and now kind of three times. We held, and now we're breaking down, and we'll have to see how the weekly candle closes into tomorrow to see if this could be a hammer kind of right at this general area, or the price just kind of continues to move down to possibly test this area below around 70. We'll just have to see what happens, but based on at least the daily candle, it does look like we may have a nice bounce into Friday. Stay tuned. We will have updates over the weekend, and you can check us out on Twitter, StockTwits, or Facebook. Thanks so much for listening in.